Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Apple Pencil. You can connect it via Bluetooth on any device that you have. This is the Apple Pencil USB-C version. This is all the information that you get on the back. You can get these from any local Apple store or on Amazon, which is where this one's from. So you just pull this off like that, and then you pull that out, and then it comes out like this. Designed by Apple in California. And that is the pencil. So I originally thought this would be really great for schoolwork, because the actual pencil itself is really thin at the end, which is great to do drawings with for school. So this is what it looks like. Bright white colour. Then you've got this thin sheer lining around the side. And then it comes in this box, obviously, and then you've also got an information booklet which tells you all about safety and handling, Bluetooth, battery, cleaning, support, regulatory and ergonomics. And then you've got them in basically all the other languages. Apple no longer give their Apple stickers out with their products anymore, but you still get a nice information booklet which can guide you through if you are new to the pencils. So unwrapping it, you just peel this off like that, and that is it. You've got your charging port here, so when you want to charge it, that is the way you charge it, and then you just close it back up again. This is a USB-C charging port, so that would be the charge that you need. Now I'll show you how to connect it to any device, in this case an iPad. Okay guys, so now to actually connect the Apple Pencil to any device, you first of all need, this is just to connect it. You won't have to do this every single time. This is just to get the actual pencil onto this Bluetooth screen here. So you'll need one of these charging ports. You can get these off Amazon, and then you plug it into the side. And as you can see, there's a USB plug-in port right there, which you then plug that in. And then on the end of that, you've got the USB-C, which you then open this up and plug that in. Or if it doesn't go in that side, it might go in that side. And then eventually you'll get a little notification that says all this stuff about, and then you can try it out. So your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPadOS experience. So once you've got that connected, you can then unplug the Apple Pencil, and you can unplug it from the iPad, pop that back down, and your pencil is now. And that is the pencil unboxing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe for more, and I hope you enjoyed.